Look at it. The same old grass. Cared for the same old way. Lawn after lawn. House after house. Trying new things is always hard work. This lawn care season, how about trying being the best? Introducing from Turf Titan, Thatch Buster. The enemy of that old lawn of yours? Thatch. Allowing thatch buildups leads to weak lawns. It's simple. Every 4 to 6 weeks, treat your lawn with Thatch Buster. Proven on millions of lawns before it reaches yours. Spray your lawn one evening, get a good night's rest, and let the microbes do the rest. Thatch Buster improves lawn drainage, penetration, and airflow, reducing the need for mechanical aeration and power raking. Containing over 25 strains of naturally occurring microbes. It takes the hard jobs and makes them easy. Simple and sustainable and trusted by the pros. Be the talk of the neighborhood. Try something new. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.